Hello, my name is Jocelyn Tran, and today I'm going to be going over using trigonometric identities. So for our first example, we have 1 minus cosine squared theta all over 1 minus sine squared theta. So according to the Pythagorean identity, it states that sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. So here in our numerator, we have 1 minus cosine squared theta. So what we can do is subtract cosine squared theta from both sides. And in doing so, we get sine squared theta is equal to 1 minus cosine squared theta. So we can replace the numerator with sine squared theta. Okay, and in our denominator, we have 1 minus sine squared theta. So what we can do is subtract sine squared theta from both sides. And in doing so, we get that cosine squared theta is equal to 1 minus sine squared theta. So we can replace the denominator with cosine squared theta. So according to the quotient identity, sine squared theta over cosine squared theta is equal to tangent squared theta. So this is our answer for the first example. Okay, and moving on to our second example, we have 1 minus cosine squared theta plus cosine squared theta plus 1. So here we established that 1 minus cosine squared theta is equal to sine squared theta because you subtract the cosine squared theta from both sides. So sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta plus 1. So here we have sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta. And here in the Pythagorean identity, it says that sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. So this is equal to 1. And we add the 1 here, and 2 is our answer.